Welcome to Anna's Crafty Kitchen, where you can eat what you make. Welcome to a new episode of Anna's Crafty Kitchen. I've got ricotta cheese here because I'm making ricotta fritters. In addition to my ricotta cheese, I'm going to have the following ingredients: an egg, some flour and some sugar. Let's put all the ingredients in a bowl. In goes the ricotta cheese, an egg, a tablespoon of flour, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's mix it. Put some flour on your chopping board. And smooth it out. And put your mixture on top. Put some flour on your hands to not make it sticky. And then shape your mixture into a giant sausage. Now that I've made my giant sausage, I'm going to cut it with a knife. Using a bit more flour, I'm going to shape my pieces into patties. Some people prefer them as big patties, but I prefer them bite-sized. It's snowing! Now I'm going to fry my ricotta fritters. You might need an adult to help you with this because the oil's really hot. I'm going to put all my fritters in the pan. Now flip the fritters over. They'll be a golden brown. And now we fry the fritters on the other side. Now that my fritters are ready, I'm going to decorate them with icing sugar. I'm going to do the taste test. I'm excited about it. I'm going to have it with condensed milk, but you can have it with like jam or Nutella or anything like that. Let's dig in. Really good. This would be my perfect breakfast. I just can't stop eating them. I also like it with creme fraiche and a bit of sugar on top. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye. Like and subscribe. These are my ponytails. Ricotta Fritters. Ricotta, it's like a tongue twister. In addition to my ricotta cheese, I'm gonna have